Folks, AI tools are evolving fast, but most of them still behave like assistants. They answer questions, generate text, maybe help with code. But what if AI could actually run entire workflows on its own? I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're looking at something pretty interesting, TRAE SOLO. It's a brand new AI agent designed to go beyond coding. It can handle the entire product lifecycle, from research and analysis to building real working applications. In this video, we'll see how this tool generates a full product requirements document and organizes tasks automatically. And then we'll turn those requirements into a working React app. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Guys, TRAE SOLO is an autonomous AI agent that goes far beyond just writing code. It's a full ecosystem available as both a desktop app and a web version. In other words, the idea here is simple but powerful. The more context you give it, the smarter it becomes. As you can see, the system is designed to understand complex inputs all at once: tables, PDF reports, images, and even thousands of lines of code. Thanks to its cloud-based architecture, Solo can run multiple tasks in parallel without slowing down your local machine. So basically, everything feels smooth, fast, and highly scalable. Now guys, let's take a look at how it works in a real workflow. I switch into MTC or more than coding mode and upload a competitor analysis report along with a user data table. For example, I simply give it a prompt and let it process everything together. The idea here is to see how it connects raw data with real market insights. What's interesting here is how quickly it understands relationships between completely different sources of information. It reads through the files, finds hidden patterns, and turns raw numbers into strategic insights. Here's the thing, it doesn't just analyze data, it actually starts building meaning from it. Mates, at this point, I don't even wait for the results to finish. I just move on to the next task, because Solo is already running everything in the cloud. By the way, this is where multitasking really shines. While one process is generating documentation, another one is already moving into development mode. Next, I switch to Solo code and upload a brand book as an image to start building a React project. And this is where it gets interesting. It automatically extracts color codes and translates them into Tailwind CSS variables. For example, it ensures that the entire UI stays perfectly aligned with the original brand identity. Then the system goes even further by generating a full PRD and building the application architecture in parallel. You can also jump between tasks in real time and control every stage of the process. That said, Solo takes care of all the technical heavy lifting, while you stay in full creative control. Folks, finally, I ask it to prepare a team presentation and export everything into a PDF. Everything syncs seamlessly between desktop and web, so you end up with a complete product plus full documentation. In other words, it's a modern way of building technology, faster, smarter, and all in one place. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Next, we are coming back to our tasks now, and everything is already done. So basically, the developer roadmap is ready, along with the stakeholder deck presentation. And it also includes all the key points structured using the roadmap that was just generated. Friends, everything runs in parallel. At the same time, we've also received a dashboard that fully matches our design requirements. It's not just an output, it's a complete production-ready result. Now here's the thing, everything actually works. We can browse through all project files, inspect every part of the system, and at the same time keep moving toward the finished product. And all of this happens without switching between multiple tools. What's interesting here is how seamless the whole workflow really feels. You're not just getting separate pieces, you're getting a fully connected system that updates and builds itself in real time. And this becomes a huge advantage when working on complex projects. So mates, TRAE SOLO is transforming the way we interact with artificial intelligence. It literally becomes your universal partner that understands complex data and works fully autonomously in the cloud. Alright my friends, let's wrap this up with a few final thoughts. What makes TRAE SOLO really stand out is that it's not just another AI coding assistant. It's designed to handle the entire workflow, from analyzing ideas and generating product requirements to building and improving real software. The platform keeps everything in one place and works with the full context of your project. And that's where it starts to feel less like a tool and more like a true AI collaborator. Also, friends, keep in mind that TRAE Solo is currently in beta, and during this early access period, you can try it for free with an invite code. I've left the link in the description so you can jump in and test it. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.